What's up guys, it's your favorite Slim Shady here, and today I'm going to be doing a maintenance vlog slash pamper vlog, and I'm going to take you guys with me. I have two maintenance to do today. First, I'm going to do my lashes. Second, I'm going to do my hair. For my lash set, I think I want to do the wet lash look. And for my hair, I'm supposed to cream my hair slash perm my hair and style it. However, I think I'm gonna get a pixie cut. I'm not sure as yet because currently my hair is very damaged. I had some glue-ins before the braids that I did, and the glue-ins ripped a lot of my hair out, and then the braid that I just took out made it worse. So yeah, hopefully when I go there, my hairstylist work wonders with me and it's something that I like. So yeah, let's go. So guys, chat, you know, when you're enough, you're gonna do bottom lash, but they're so cute though. So I'm gonna do bottom lash for the first time. I'm gonna do wet set for the first time. I love them down. No, I'm gonna try or figure on me hair appointment. My hair appointment is supposed to be at 12 and it's now 11:45, so maybe reach. I think we're gonna buy one soup though because I never get nothing from morning. I just give me dinner drink.
Because lady still not here to confess. Oh, she not take you. I'm trying to put me under the tray, yeah. Yeah, no. Let me can't. You know, make me eat. When the eyes are fashion, no one they pan the one they know. She jealous. Sweet.
Put my hope, all my sorrows, all my struggles, all my hopes. Oh, Lord, you, I can't even resist. Oh my God, if it doesn't from, oh my God.
So y'all, I am back home. As you can see, this is what we're working with. I really wanted the curly Sue pixie. After making the consultation and getting to the point that we're gonna do a cut, I really wanted like the curly Sue pixie, but this works for me too. Yeah, also I got distracted, literally. First things first, the fact that my battery was about to die, that threw me off completely. And that was like closer to the ending of my hair being done. So yeah, from that point forward it was just downhill. But yeah, I just got home, did a few stuff, and said that I'm gonna do a close out with you guys. But yeah, this is what we're working with. I don't know, I'm still contemplating if I want to do like the curly Sue pixie. I think she was saying that this is not short enough to do that. So yeah, but yeah, I love it. It complements my face well, I want to say. Also, it was raining a little bit, so like it got my hair like looking away-ish. Hopefully I still love it after a period of time, because if you know me, you know that I'm a crazy cakes. Like I'll be here all lovey-dovey and stuff, then it's just like get this thing out, or I have to change this immediately. But yeah, I'm loving it so far. So yeah, with that being said, this is the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching this far. Walk good. Love you guys. Peace.